Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to your channel Talent TV. You know Talent TV is dedicated for business idea and business development along with internal growth and education. You know ongoing series is related with innovation in transportation. Let's start our discussion. One cannot imagine life without transportation. Due to easy accessibility, door-to-door service, flexibility, area and scope in road transportation is more than any other mode of transportation. Low capital requirement for business establishment also make this segment lucrative for new entry. As the word road itself specifies business requirement and business development criteria in road transportation. The word road, R stands for realization, O stands for organization, A stands for addition, and D for distribution. Due to the vast scope of road transportation, it is necessary first of all to understand and realize in which segment you want to serve.
For general purpose cargo like cement, steel, fertilizer, area of operation and scope will be higher. On the other hand, for a specialized good like milk, oil, area of operation and scope will be smaller.
While in a smaller scope of working, you need a specialized, customized transport vehicles. Area of operation will be smaller. While moving to the specialized segment, that is in the customized segment, it is necessary to have a long-term contract whom customization in transportation is done. Example, if you are moving normal goods like steel, cement, stone, etc., same trailer could be utilized in movement of food grains, fertilizer, etc. And in that area, establishment, you need a business contract and you have a backload also. The terms of operation will be quite different from
Specialized movement like milk, oil, gas, etc.
These vehicles cannot be utilized anywhere else. Hence, to enter into that segment, you need a specialized long-term investment and load contract from manufacturing industry like milk supplier, oil supplier, etc. As per your specialization and scope of operation, you need to have a vehicle to work independently as transport broker if you have a good industrial relation. Another option could be being a franchisee of established transporter. E-commerce company like e-cart, Amazon are working on franchisee model, which you have a high-performing team support along with high technology, complete infrastructure support. New generation IT-enabled transporter like Revigo is offering technology, marketing, branding, build and training support. You may get information for any of such franchisee offering from Franchisee India. Based on your marketing skill, you may choose any of the segment. Now, second most important thing is product. What type of vehicle you need to purchase in order to serve the market. You may have complete specification as well pricing of different types of trailers, trucks, other commercial vehicle. You may utilize third-party web page like Car Dekho, Mart to get complete product specification, pricing along with comparison of other vehicle in the same category. Road transportation is best suited under 500 km distance. It should be our focus not to compete with another mode of transport. As illustrated, road is realization, organization, addition and distribution. So you have to think of a distribution point. Focus point will be distribution. How distribution network could be made more and more better. Add-on services could be provided in case of distribution like tracking, drivers and cargo safety, communication, hassle-free operation. Develop your niche market. There will be different strategy for short distance vehicles like 100 km range or 150 km range and different strategy for long haul vehicle like 500 km, 700 km range. Short distance movement utilizing a single driver movement could be done effectively. For long distance traveling, may adopt railway model like rotation of driver at the fixed point. Might have observed allocation of drivers in mail, express and local trains are different. In Indian Railway, local movement single driver takes whole turn. A driver along with co-driver starts from origin point and after reaching the destination come back to the origin point. This model is effective for short hauling. The other hand, for long hauling, they have fixed point at which driver will hand over the train to another driver and he will come back to the origin point by taking some other train. The similar model could be adopted in roadways also. Entry into road transportation makes it difficult to distinguish one transporter from another transporter. It is must to have some specialized process with you. It may be cost, maybe operations, maybe information technology, maybe some specialty. So it must develop a specialty in this segment. Have sustainability in the market. Think several times about McDonald's.
McDonald's burger is not the most tasty and the most cheap product.
Process that makes McDonald's different from any other Raju Tikki wala.
McDonald's is selling 26 billions burger per day, but Raju Tikkiwala is incomparable with McDonald's.
You need to develop specialization in your business, specialization in your process. It is important to understand cost of service in transport segment.
Operations cost is highest in the transportation industry. Transport product is time. 80% of cost is from operation side.
Hence, getting benefit from operations and evaluating each and every part of costing in operation is the most important factor for success in road transport industry. The operation cost includes cost of fuel, cost of wear, tear and mobile, driver and co-driver cost, banking debts. In order to quote in road transport segment, most of the cases offered cost will be 4 times fuel cost. It may go down up to 3.75 or 3.7 of fuel cost. Understand costing factor. Let us take an example of 3518 model of Tata. We will evaluate the cost as well as make a quotation for this. Average will be 2.5 approximately for one side loaded, one side empty movement of 100 km. 100 divided by 2.5, that means 40. 40 liters fuel is required for whole movement. If diesel cost is 70 rupees per liter, then costing of fuel will be 70 into 40, that is 2,800 rupees.
More than that will be the cost of wear and tear of tires, value of mobile, engine, depreciation, etc. Need to do complete maintenance and repair of engine after 1 lakh kilometer. That is a big consideration and huge cost investment. It will be approximately 1 lakh after 1 lakh kilometer.
Considering the cost of fuel at the rate of 70 rupees, 2,800 will be fuel cost and 2,800 will be other cost. 2,000 will be the cost of driver and co-driver. Banking debt per day will be approximately 2,000. Hence, total cost will be 9,600. Taking the depreciation of the trailer and your profit 10%, for cost will be minimum 11,000. For loadability of 25 ton. It may vary depends on loadability and other factor of operations. As the transportation is a long-term investment, hence each and every factor for moving operational cost downside be taken in great concern. Development of model, investment in IT, collaboration with established player, sector should be well organized. After organizing these facts, you have to think over these points how you could add value in your distribution network, how you could make customer more satisfied, what would be the criteria for better services offering. Because in road transport, after realization and organizing, you have to think over addition in distribution network and try to understand what are the parts, what are the process by which you can add the value in your transport system. We tried our best to elaborate the facts and figures of road transport industry. You may like to have some elaboration, some explanation on more facts. Please comment for that. We'll sure respond to your comment. Thanks for watching. Thank you.